Sean Borkenhagen here at Superstition Mountain Range. Gonna go free riding with the One Industries boys.
Gearing up, getting suited, about to go take a shovel, hit some hits.
Have some fun with some good friends and ride and just enjoy life.
Riding in the desert with One Industries, shooting for the new fall catalog, and should be a good day of riding and hanging out with buds and just hanging out.
I'm sporting the 2013 DEFCON line. We got the green fade, I like to call it. Matches my bike good. I'm pumped on it. I like it. Good style.
We found probably about 4 jumps, so had fun. Just trying to probably go out this afternoon and try to search for some new ones.
The only bus that we're behind, our 4-4 signature time. We are able to find the key, but recently
About 4:15 right now. Gonna wait a couple more hours and gonna gear up again and go and hit the sand out there.